Why do ducks have feathers?
Why do they have feathers?
Cover up their butt quack.
Haha, butt quack. Alright guys, back in the shop tonight. This is day 2 and my brother has found some good stuff. So pay attention, subscribe, like, and follow this episode of day 2 of the 30-day VW My Mom's the Bomb restoration giveaway car of justice or something like that, but that's a really long name. But let me show you what he found and what else he found for the day, and we'll get working on the car, get some more interior stuff out, chop out the seats, get ready for when the upholstery comes, and we can figure that out. I did talk with my buddy today who is a VW specialist. I found out he's restored a lot of early 60s to 66s, his newest model of Volkswagen that he restored. And so he told me all some secret tricks and tips and places to get more parts. So that should be useful. But yeah, again, make sure you follow along with this series and subscribe. Hit that button down there. Alright guys, we found a Volkswagen parts car. Alright guys, there's the piece. It's a different model, different vents. Size should be the same. What's hot? Dude, that thing is amazing. Look at it. It's way better than this one, which is crushed and dented down here. That one has more vents. The mounting plate's different, but the covers and stuff should be good. So we scored on that, and then there should be a new front hood.
Different.
Yeah.
It has round tail lights.
No.
Yeah, I didn't know.
So fender won't work.
It has both round tail lights.
I'm not doing no. These are way cooler. What do you think? Round or those cool arrowed ones?
We got round front. Let's keep the arrowed ones in back.
Yes. So
LED.
the front, let's convert the front to LED. So then we got a new one of these because this down here is smashed, crushed. Killing it. Day 2, look at that. Crushing all of the floor. All the nastiness.
Now we can get right up to it.
No way. What is that stuff? Freaking gross, bro.
You're gonna ruin it, cutting it.
What else should we do?
That's all you gotta do is just freaking put a chisel in right there. Pop.
What's that even mean?
First of all,
You need a man hammer.
This is all hickory, man. This is the manliest man hammer.
a 4-year-old has one of those in your plastic toolbox.
I know, but
There you
this is
go,
the
Tyler.
manliest man hammer in the world. This is old hickory. This is too heavy. I can't manage this.
Hey, you gotta go on the inside. Hey, here, let me see what needs to be broken. Oh, good luck on that one.
Oh, I'm doing
Sliding.
it. Hey. Needs to be broke. He's not in the spot. You need to hit it right there. Like that.
Ship off the old block.
No, your whole hand. You're smashing my hand.
Why not? Tyler, maybe you break that other side loose first. It'll wiggle. Because it's just got that front one tacked.
This is tacked right here.
Hey. No, because that's the slide.
Oh, that's tacked right here.
Yes. But that whole, from right there, see the whole feel. Feel with your finger. They're two separate pieces.
Yeah.
This piece and this piece gives a wiggle. I got an air so it doesn't make. No. Right, bro. Oh my god. That's done.
It's too strong.
Yeah, they welded a hole in it. So go on your side. Yep, right there. Looking tack welds.
They're bolted.
Yeah, wiggle it. Hold on.
Hey, there's one.
Now look at it and make sense of it. See? This is a slide. Goes over this edge. Yeah.
How dare they?
When you're in the electrician and you drive a Volkswagen.
You probably have to be the first.
Well, got one out.
Hey, what's that? Knob.
You're a knob.
Hey, knob. We love
Hey,
knobs.
knob. Where'd you go?
There.
Hey.
No. You're wrong one, right?
Goes in the glove compartment for now.
So was this the same knob welded to?
Probably.
Old Billy Bob. Messing around.
Oh.
We're gonna have to move these. Good luck getting up in there.
Yeah, the same time. This one still has the mechanism on it, though.
Does it? Uh-oh. Make it worse.
Well, they like bent it out of the way and then welded it. Alright. Literally 30 minutes of banging. I finally get that one off. So this one wasn't welded. The rails were still working. They might have been slightly twisted because I had to hit each side over and over and over to get them to move. But we got it. There it is. It's off. Both seats are off. Alright guys, a lot of banging and grinding, and this is what you get. No seats. We start tearing out some weird sound deadening stuff, and got some more carpet up front to take out, and that stuff to take out. The old e-brake, heat controls. So we got it gutted pretty good. Still got to get the door cards off. Find some of this instrument stuff. Has 10,000 miles on it, so that means it has 101,000 miles on it would be my guess. Kind of cool. But yeah, so that's what we got done. Alright guys, that's the episode for tonight. It took a little longer to beat and bang and get those things off than expected, getting all that stuff ripped out, but it's good progress. And like I said, we're going to try to upload every day, so make sure you follow along this Volkswagen restoration 30-day challenge. Working on getting it done to give it to my mom on Easter weekend. So thanks for tuning in. Like I said, a lot of searching today. Took us a couple hours to find that car out in the abandoned hill with some good parts for us, and then we can get off of it and help this one to be a better quality build with OEM sheet metal and stuff like that. So again, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle. Make sure you're liking and subscribing, getting us that good thumbs up. Like I said, the other ones had round rear lights, and these have these kind of arrowed pointed ones. What you prefer, I'll put a poll right here if you want to tune in and see what your thoughts are. The other fenders weren't beat up like these, but these have cooler lights I like. So let us know what you think of that. Again, we're just waiting a couple days out for parts. Hopefully tires show up soon so we can get all new tires, get the rims fixed up, repainted, and be able to roll it around. And then we got to start on the old engine right there. So I did buy a carburetor. We're waiting for the fuel tank and all that fun stuff. And hopefully we get this thing running soon, running and driving, be able to have fun in it, moving around out of the shop better, and we can go from there. Again, thanks for tuning in. Till next time.